Okay, so I've decided that after running number one belted up a bit on this generator box, that maybe I just need to break some of these motors in and spin them for a bit. So with these big pulleys on here, I'm going to start up the ET1 and spin all these motors for as long as the ET1 will run, about an hour, and see if that loosens them up so they'll be easier for everything to turn. So I guess we'll get that ET1 started. I've got batteries in it, checked it for spark. Flip this on. I don't think I touched the needle, so we'll see. Alright, that was close. Spitting a lot of fuel out the backside. I may have flooded this. Alright, there was a backfire. We'll unbelt that and see if we can get the ET1 running without. And then once we get it warmed up, we'll see about putting the belt back on. Okay. Check the plug. I did check for spark. Oh, plug is soaking wet. There we go. Now we have spark. Huh. I did take the other governor spring back off, so it's running at the lower RPM. Okay. There we go. Now, alright, we'll see if we can just leave that run until it's out of fuel and loosen those motors up with a little bit of running in. Let's move on to the nope, it's not going to want to run that well. Alright. Give it a little warm up, I guess. We'll let it run and warm up on its own for a little bit, and then see if it'll spin all three of those motors for a bit. So, anyhow, we'll try the ETX.